For knife safety, we want you to be safe in using the knife. To clean your knife, wet rag, hot water, you can wipe the blade down. Always want to keep the blade away from you. So when you're wiping it away, not towards, never want to cut towards your body. Also, when cutting, you want to push out, not pull away. Rocking the knife, it's a rocking technique. It's all knife safety. Depending on what type of knife you use, some might have a finger protector to hold the knife. A little balance, you can pinch, I'm left-handed, with your forefingers, your finger and your thumb, to hold, to give you balance on the knife when you're cutting. Also, you don't need to lift the knife off the cutting board. You can stay right there, and whatever you're working with, again, a pushing motion away. You can wash them and then put them away from the sink. Never leave knives in the sink, never leave them exposed. When walking with a knife in the kitchen, always hold it down to your side. These are some tips to keep you and others around you safe.